Yasmar, 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 oh yasmar.
October marks the season for migratory bird watching. At dusk, the grey-faced buzzards that have flown from the north arrive in the sky above Taiwan's southernmost valley, ready to spend the night before continuing their way southward the following day. This is like a carnival that takes place every fall. The swamps at river estuaries are a paradise for wild ducks to spend their winters. They take advantage of rising tides to float, swim, bathe, or feed collectively, or fly to idle paddies nearby for snacks, or rest and comb their feathers. Many paddies that fill up with water due to their low-lying positions become wetland buffets for wild ducks. Birds from the laridae family, on the other hand, like to rest on shores and beaches. All types of sandpipers land on coastal wetlands of their own liking. Some to spend the winter here, others merely pass by, staying short-term to replenish their energy for the southbound journey. The length of the bird's beaks and legs tend to decide their preferred habitat and environment. The long-legged black-winged stilt likes environments with water puddles. The short-beaked northern lapwing must live in fields that are half wet, half dry to feed. And the Caspian plover chooses to stay in grassy fields for the insects living there. Additionally, Taiwan's location on the migratory birds path in East Asia means it often greets unexpected guests, such as the bar-headed goose, which spends its winters in South Asia. The greater white-fronted goose, which is rare in East Asia, as well as the bean goose. In particular, every year in spacious wetlands on Taiwan's southwestern coast, 2,000 to 3,000 globally endangered black-faced spoonbills spend their winter, accounting for more than half the global population. Aside from the aforementioned winter migratory birds, Taiwan also hosts a variety of summer migratory birds, such as the fairy pitter, who likes to nest in dense forests and shallow mountains. It hunts for earthworms and insects to feed its chicks. As the eggs of oriental pratycoles look like rocks, they nest on dry, rocky ground. However, these environments usually do not provide shelter. Therefore, parents are required to take shifts to care for their chicks. One must be by their side at all times, and the other, it must hunt for food or be on patrol outside.